Most people shopping for a cheap truck right now are making a huge mistake. They're chasing screens, tech, and features on trucks that won't survive a few Canadian winters. I've seen it for years. People drop $40,000 on a newer pickup and then spend the next 2 winters fixing it. Meanwhile, a few older trucks just keep going, through snow, through salt, through real work. So today, we're counting down 3 underrated American pickups that mechanics actually trust. Cheap to buy, cheap to run, and built to last. Number 3. Ford F-150. Let's start with a truck most people completely overlook. The early 2000s F-150. Yeah, it doesn't look aggressive, it doesn't look tough by today's standards, and that's exactly why it's cheap. I had a client looking at a 2018 F-150 for $35,000. Instead, I told him to find a clean 2003 model. He picked one up for around $6,500 with about 120K miles. 3 years later, he spent under $200 on maintenance. That's it. Here's the reason. This was the last generation before trucks got overloaded with tech. No turbos, no complicated fuel systems, no cylinder deactivation, just a simple 4.6-liter V8 that runs under very low stress. These engines don't try to be fast, they're built to last. And in Canada, that matters even more. Cold starts, salt, rough roads, this kind of simple engine handles it better than modern setups. What to check? Spark plugs, they can loosen if done wrong. Rust on cab corners and door bottoms. If the frame is solid, this truck will keep going for years. And the best part, it's already fully depreciated. You can drive it for years and sell it for almost the same price. Number 2. Dodge Ram 1500. Now this one surprises a lot of people. Old Dodge Ram. And yes, you've probably heard about the transmission issues. That part is real. But it's also misunderstood. Most failures came from poor maintenance, old fluid, neglected service, not from the engine. Because the Magnum V8, it's one of the simplest and toughest engines Dodge ever made. No complicated timing systems, no advanced electronics, just a basic iron block V8 that keeps running. I had a customer who almost bought a newer Ram with a Hemi. Instead, he grabbed a clean 2001 with the 5.9L, paid around $5,500. 5 years later, over 250,000 miles, his biggest repair was a water pump, about $300. That's nothing. What to check? Dashboard cracks, tells you how it was stored. Plenum gasket, cheap fix if needed. Transmission condition and fluid. If those are good, you've got a truck that can outlast many newer ones. And unlike a modern Ram, no monthly payments, no expensive electronics, just gas and basic maintenance. Number 1. Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This is it. The truck mechanics quietly look for. The early 2000s Silverado. If you know, you know. I've seen these go past 300,000 miles, easily. One client bought a 2003 with 180K miles for about $7,000. 10 years later, still driving it, over 300K. Meanwhile, his neighbors went through multiple newer trucks. Why? Because this generation was built differently. The LS-based V8 engines, 4.8-liter and 5.3-liter, are legendary. Simple design, low stress, cheap parts everywhere. Even beginner mechanics can work on them. And most importantly, no active fuel management. That system in newer trucks shuts down cylinders to save fuel and ends up causing expensive failures. These engines run all 8 cylinders all the time. Simple, reliable, proven. What to check? Brake lines. Salt can cause rust. Easy upgrade. Knock sensors. Usually a minor fix. That's it. Everything else is basic maintenance. You can find a clean one for under $10,000, and it'll outlast trucks that cost 5 to 8 times more. Here's the reality. The best truck isn't the newest one. It's the one that keeps working year after year without draining your wallet. And in a place like Canada, where winters are brutal and roads are rough, simple, proven trucks win every time.